Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Tuesday evening, 9:45, almost 10 o'clock. A look back at late this afternoon, which had some stronger showers and thunderstorms came through. This was a loop between 4 and 7 o'clock in the evening, and some of the deeper reds and purples indicate where some of the stronger thunderstorms, even some small hail, pass through. In fact, what the radar can do is actually show you some of the hail tracks. So these little strips of orange indicating which storms produced at least some small hail, and you can clearly see there was one area up in northeast Connecticut, Foster, Gloucester, Coventry, and a second long tracked skinny line of some, one more time here in southeastern Mass, of some small hail that includes New Bedford and Dartmouth as well. And again, this was late on Tuesday afternoon. It's fairly quiet right now. You can even look back on some of the lightning activity we had late this afternoon in some of these storms. Of course, the other big weather story, the poor air quality, the wildfire smoke, that remains. The weather alert for that, the poor air quality, has actually been extended into Wednesday as well. I don't think the smoke is quite as thick on Wednesday as it was today, Tuesday, but still a bit of smoke out there. In fact, you can clearly see this on the picture here in downtown Providence, this sort of haze, this hazy look to the sky. And that's not fog or clouds or even precipitation, but rather smoke in the low levels of the atmosphere. I'm going to talk about that in more detail in just a second. Temps as of the almost 10 o'clock hour, all over the place. Most locations are in the lower 50s, though still 62 in Providence. So poor air quality will continue. It is pretty thick right now, but a bit lighter, but still some smoky haze coming up on Wednesday. An unsettled week ahead in the sense that we'll have each day a few passing showers. I just don't feel as though we have any washouts or any all-day kind of rain. So if you have outdoor plans, Wednesday, Thursday, and even Friday, there's opportunities to get outdoors. We're not talking all-day soaking rains, but rather just isolated showers. Take a look at, the weekend preview. Right now, Saturday, it's not bad. At this point, I wouldn't cancel anything on Saturday, though an isolated shower can't be ruled out. Just looks like Sunday would be the brighter, drier, and warmer day with sunshine on Sunday. Temps that should be well into the 70s. Satellite and radar composite. Here's the culprit. We have this low in the upper part of the atmosphere. You can clearly see it just kind of spinning across northern New England and the Canadian Maritimes right up in here. And this has done a number of things. It has produced some of these isolated showers. It's also helped to transport some of the smoke from these Canadian wildfires across the southeast. When we take a look at the smoke forecast, I'm going to take you into Wednesday morning, and you can see it does thin out a little bit. So the red indicates where some of the thicker smoke is located. So on Wednesday morning, it thins out a little bit, and then by late day, early evening, some of the smoke tries to thicken up once again. But bottom line, we do have the poor air quality alert that's been reissued by DEM for Wednesday. Some of this thicker smoke may try to make a brief comeback by Wednesday evening. And then here we are on Wednesday night. You can clearly see the higher concentrations of smoke in red and purple will be just to our west. In the meantime, for your Wednesday morning, looking at some sun to start. I don't see much in the way of rain during the morning, nor do I see much in the way of rain in the afternoon. So with that said, just a passing shower, though the clouds will tend to fill in the second half of the day. So we'll call Wednesday afternoon mostly cloudy, upper 60s to around 70, and only running like a 20% chance of a brief passing shower. Again, probably not even worthy enough to cancel any outdoor activities. I think the thunder risk, unlike today, is much lower too. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.